OnePlus 13 will make its debut in next week. This flagship will be one of the first phones to feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. OnePlus has been teasing its upcoming flagship, revealing key details about the smartphone. Today we know about OnePlus's most powerful smartphone, OnePlus 13 Pro's full leaked features, price, or launch date. Let's start. OnePlus 13 Pro's features. Display. OnePlus 13 Pro is expected to feature a 6.82-inch, 2K, 10-bit LTPO display, with a 120Hz refresh rate. The smartphone is confirmed to feature the new BO X2 display, with in-display fingerprint sensor. Camera setup. The smartphone is confirmed to feature a 50-megapixel LYT-808 main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide second camera, with the features of 120-degree field of view, and a 50-megapixel periscope lens with 3x optical zoom lens, f2.6 aperture, OIS, and a 1/1.95-inch sensor size. Apart from this, if talk about front camera, a 50-megapixel camera will see in it. Processor. OnePlus 13 Pro will be powered by the flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. It will be one of the first phones to feature the new chipset. RAM and storage. OnePlus is expected to launch the phone with up to 24GB RAM and 1TB storage. Battery and charging. OnePlus 13 is tipped to pack a 6000 mAh battery, with 100-watt wired fast charging and magnetic wireless charging support. This would make it the biggest battery ever on a OnePlus phone. Software. The smartphone will most likely run the new Oxygen OS 15 based on Android 15. Price or launch date. Talking about the price, its price can be around $800. And if we talk about the launch date, no official information has been received about it. But, according to leaks, OnePlus can launch this amazing smartphone in the next week.